Whoops. And my phone is backwards. I don't know. I don't care. Either I think there's like gunshots or something. I don't know because I keep hearing like noises. I don't know. Comment down if these are gunshots. Hold on, it might happen again. Boom. What is that? Gunshots? And it's coming from over there. Over there where that tree is, where those birds just flew by. Sorry this is low quality. It's on my phone. So yeah. I have like an old phone. Yeah, comment down below. I'm gonna probably post this. I don't know what this is. Either these are gunshots or something else. I don't know what they are. I don't know who's doing this, but what? You see? What? Those are fireworks. You'll probably see them, and also, why would they be fireworks also? Comment down below what it is, if you know what it is. See ya.